Coinbase has won NFA approval to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum futures in the United States. We're going to talk about that today. Welcome back to the Block Hash Podcast channel. Let's talk crypto. Make sure to check out our sponsor, BENFT. They're revolutionizing education using DeFi methods and artificial intelligence. Check them out. All links are in the description down below. Go to benft.solutions. Also, check out our Patreon. We do chart analysis Monday through Friday for the price of 2 cups of coffee a month. Check it out if you want to get access to that chart analysis before it goes out on YouTube. All right. So today's a big day for Coinbase. Surprisingly, in the market, it hasn't reverberated and led to any price increases as of yet. That could happen later, but Bitcoin still stays flat, sitting around 29,000 at the current moment. But Coinbase has seen a nice bump as the NFA, the National Futures Association of the United States, also appointed as an organization by the CFTC, the Commodities Futures Trade Commission, to give Coinbase approval to trade ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, this is a big deal. It opens up a lot of possibilities and further expands Coinbase and moves it even further down the line away from the SEC in this constant turf war. We're going to read through this article, then I'll give you my final thoughts, so stay tuned for the very end. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has obtained approval from the National Futures Association, NFA, to offer investments in crypto futures to eligible customers in the United States. Announcing the news today, Coinbase stated that the company is now officially allowed to operate a Futures Commission merchant FCM platform. The approval enables Coinbase to introduce Bitcoin and Ethereum futures contracts through its Commodity Futures Trading Commission CFTC regulated derivatives exchange. This is a critical milestone that reaffirms our commitment to operating a regulated and compliant business and be the most trusted and secure crypto-native platform for our customers, Coinbase said in the statement. According to a notice on Coinbase's cryptocurrency futures webpage, the new futures trading service will not be immediately available in the United States. As stated on the website, U.S. regulated futures trading is coming soon. Sign up to join the waitlist and get early access. Again, on the company's website, you can check it out for yourself to get more details. The announcement, Coinbase claimed that the global crypto derivatives market accounts for 75% of crypto trading volume worldwide. 75%. The ability to trade using margin gives customers leverage and access to the crypto market with less upfront investment than traditional spot trading. As previously reported, Coinbase officially announced plans to launch Bitcoin and Ethereum futures trading for institutional investors in early June. Previously, Coinbase also planned to launch a derivatives exchange in Bermuda, marking a step in its global expansion strategy. The news comes amid Coinbase's ongoing legal battle against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The regulator filed a lawsuit against Coinbase in early June, alleging that the exchange violated its local securities laws by selling unregistered securities, which I think at this point all of us can conclude is rather bullshit. So right now, this is more or less a move by the CFTC to gain further ground in the crypto space over the SEC by actually giving a little bit to Coinbase so that they can have more tools at their disposal to offer to customers, both large and small. The SEC has taken the other stance and gotten incredibly aggressive and has actually deterred most of, if not all, of this industry, missing things like FTX and going after key players like Coinbase and Gemini and Binance, who, for the most part, I think, we all agree have been doing a lot of good for the space. So with that in mind, this is an important development that also moves the needle further in the direction of cryptocurrencies being considered a commodity or property rather than generally considered a security. The SEC is little by little losing that battle, and I think it'll come to a head very soon as we wrap up 2023. Again, we're still in August. It's summertime in 2023. We got all of September, October, November, and December, almost half a year left, the entire fall, in which I do believe it'll be very strong for Bitcoin and the altcoin market. Usually in this 3-year cycle I always talk about, seems to perform very well around November, December time. All right. Again, the altcoin market, we saw movement in 2017 and 2020 around November and December. And that 3-year pattern, if it continues, we'll see that again here in 2023 around November, December. So that's what I'm looking out for. Bitcoin should continue to drudge forward despite any good or negative news, but this should add a little bit more support to Bitcoin as we enter into 2024 and get closer to that halving next spring. Now, something to note with futures is they don't just open up positive potential to invest. Derivatives aren't just good for money to come in. It also opens up doors for money to exit. It also opens up doors for shorting the market. So, when this stuff goes live, most people will likely go long on Bitcoin and crypto given where it's at in the market. And they'll probably refer to like the CME futures trading and other places where it's already happening, to kind of gauge if people should be going long or shorting. And most people initially probably will go long. And this will be something just adds into the next bull cycle. But it will also cause the market to dump really hard when that bull cycle ends. You'll see a lot of short positions. You'll see a lot of stop losses just getting destroyed, and spot market will, get hammered. However, in the meantime, this does offer another on-ramp, another point of availability for people to get exposure without having to go directly to spot price. So good news today, exciting news, something that is further bolstering the industry in the US little by little. Happy to see it. We'll see how this plays out. It hasn't really affected the price of Bitcoin yet, but that could change as the day and the week goes on. So let's just see what happens. And congrats to Coinbase for getting this approval by the NFA. All right, make sure to comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what you guys think about this huge approval for Coinbase for futures trading of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like the video, share with someone that also is interested, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. If you have, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Cheers.